Okay, so in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to export a workout, an interval timer that you have created, to a PDF. Okay, so open up exercise timer and select a workout that you have created. For example, I'm going to select this Tabata timer here. And to export to a PDF, first of all make sure that you're premium because this is a premium feature, and then tap on this top menu icon here and press export as PDF. And this is, when you press export, basically this is the PDF that will be exported. This feature can also handle descriptions. So for example, if I put a description in here and press save and try to export to PDF, it will show also the description, so you feel free to put in the description you like there that you want to show on the PDF. And it can also handle groups. So for example, in this my workout here I have this group with ×4. So if I tap on export as PDF, it will show the grouping there, sort of. This feature is great if you want to share your workout. For example, if you're a fitness trainer and you want to share your workout as a paper, sort of as a printout with your clients, or if you just want to store them, sort of store your workouts as a collection on PDFs.